Here we are explaining about pick and place robot. This robot is made up of Arduino DC motors, L293D boards for controlling the motors. Here we have a Bluetooth chip and we are controlling this robot by using this Arduino Bluetooth controller, and this is a gamepad which I am selecting. In this gamepad we have the controller, and let us see how it is working. Now when I press these commands, the robot will go forward, backward, left turn, right turn, etc. So I'm controlling this robot now. This is gripper opening, this is gripper closing, and this is claw up, claw down movement. Let me show it from the side angle. Okay, now I'll bring some object to hold it. So by using this controller, we can change the commands of this robot from these settings here. So each setting having up is represented with the small f, and when we release it should stop, so yes. Likewise, D for down, R for right, etc. All these commands we can change as per our program. When you are completed, click here and disconnect it. If you want to connect, again click here, search for the recent one, last common these things, and click on the HC05 and it will show connected. So here I'm clicking disconnect, and again if you want to connect, click here and last connected, you can see connected to HC05. Then you can control the robot from the commands.